These days, with the widespread use of artificial intelligence, it has become much easier to create 3D animated movies. In this video, I will show you how you can create your own 3D animation movie using artificial intelligence in a few simple steps. Previously, creating a 3D animation movie was quite challenging, but now it's much more accessible. To begin, you will need to visit DeepMotion.com and sign up for an account. You can use your first name, last name, email address, or even create a company name if you don't have one. After signing up, make sure to check all the required boxes and click on to get started. You will receive an email with a link to set up your password. Once you have done that, sign in using your credentials. After signing in, you will see an interface where you need to click on home and then create to start creating your 3D model. Choose the type of your character you want, such as muscular or feminine. Make your selection and then proceed to the next step. In the next step, you can customize your character's face shape, skin tone, lips, hair color, haircut, and even the clothes they wear. Once you are satisfied with your character, click on next. On the following screen, you can continue without signing up for any additional services. Enter a name for your character or model and then click on create. In the next step, click on create and select 3D animation. Then click on browse file to upload a video that you want to use as a reference for your character's movements. This video should focus on character and follow the provided instruction regarding lighting, camera placement, and absence of any other objects in the video. You can also download video from Pixabay or Pexels. Once you have chosen the video, upload it. After uploading the video, you can make some adjustment if needed. If necessary, you can make further adjustment. Go to MP4 vendor settings and ensure that the settings are configured for an MP4 format. Solid background color, preferably green. Disable shadow, picture, and audio. Keep the camera mode as cinematic. Click on next to continue. After clicking next, your animation movie will begin processing. You can monitor the progress as it generates your 3D animated movie. Once it's complete, you can sit back and enjoy your creation. To take your animation to the next level, you can use canva.com. Visit Canva and click on design, and here search for video. In the search bar, type animation to find suitable animated background for your movie. Choose the one that matches your vision and download it in MP4 format. Now open a video editing app like CapCut and import both your downloaded animated background and animated character you created earlier. Overlay the character onto the background and then go to the cutout and here select chroma key. Here we will remove the green background, adjust their size and position to your liking. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, it's time to download your final 3D animated movie. Export the video and save it to your preferred location. Congratulations, you have created your very own 3D animated movie with the help of artificial intelligence. It's incredible how AI has made animation more accessible than ever before. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to unleash your creativity in the world of AI-generated animations. Don't forget to share your amazing creation with me in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.